my family took care of me, man. I'm so proud of my wife and my sons and my daughters. And they just, with cards and t-shirts and, godly t-shirts, man of God, and John 3:16 t-shirts. So, every card I had was a card, about the kingdom, about the Lord. I just get a happy birthday card. Everything was about Jesus. And for a man to praise God and worship God, and then God rewards you through little things, not the big things, but the little things. He said, if you can do something with the little things, then he'll bless you with the big things. And I want to thank my son. He gave me a free video shoot, $200 video shoot, maybe $300. I don't know what it cost, but he done our hit on the internet for that video and he finished it up there. So my birthday was blessed, I made it 48 years old, I came to Christ at 40, and it's been a ride. And I just want to say, that if you will keep God first, then anything that you